Today we're taking a look at how the team at M&M AV Installations put together this stunning LED wall display. From unboxing to final calibration, we'll walk you through the whole process. First, the team started by unboxing each panel, making sure everything was in perfect condition. Instead of using mounts, they installed the panels directly onto the wall. Why? Because standard mounts add about 2.5 inches from the wall, and for this setup, keeping it as flush as possible was the way to go. They mapped out the placement on the wall to get everything lined up just right before securing the first panel. From there, it was all about precision. Each panel had to be perfectly aligned so the seams were practically invisible. The team took their time to make sure everything was level and locked in place. Next up, wiring. They connected power and data cables throughout all of the panels. It kind of got messy and there was a lot of cables to handle, but when doing an install, it's not going to be perfect. It'll be messy. You'll have to problem solve because sometimes you come into challenges that you didn't expect, but working through it and trusting the process is what creates the best results. Shout out to Mike and Sean for giving us the opportunity to be able to watch them install in action. When you see that people are truly passionate and knowledgeable about what they're doing, it's truly inspiring. Once all the panels were up and wired, it was time for calibration. They powered up the display, programmed it, and made a few fine-tuned adjustments to get the best possible image quality. And boom, we got this amazing LED wall installed directly onto the wall for a minimal profile, looking too clean. Huge shout out to M&M AV Installations for making it happen. If you guys are in Dallas, hit them up for all your AV needs.